Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I've done hauls before one time in the past, but today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing like a branded thrift store haul. So I went to the Salvation Army and then I went to Goodwill and I picked out just a couple of pieces, so this video is not going to be too long. I got quite a bit of really good athletic wear because honestly that's my style. That's what everybody really wears, like on campus, leggings. And I don't want to just get like regular cotton leggings. I want to get like, you know, good pairs that are like really good brands and that'll last a long time. The first pair I got were these Champion leggings, and they're like a purple color. You know, there's another word to describe this color. It's like a deep purple, but I don't know, you know, just know that it's purple. But yeah, these are Champion, and these are a size medium. And the wear and tear, honestly, were not that bad. Like, the logo is really intact. Like, it's not, you know where you can tell like the rubber, whatever you call that, from the logo, it like scratches off. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I got these leggings and these were from Goodwill. Everything from Goodwill was $3.99. Everything from the Salvation Army was $4.99. Next, let's start with these Nike Pro. And like I said, the logo is like really intact. I'm very like surprised, like how, you know, just the condition of like all of this stuff was like really good. This is from Goodwill, so this was $3.99. This is a size large. They're not as stretchy, so they're a little bit tighter, but I don't really mind that because you can still like bend and squat and do all your like normal activities. So they're very firm. I think that's a better way to describe them. So the next pair that I got were these Under Armour leggings, and guys, these were brand new with tags and everything. I haven't worn any of these yet, but completely new, had tags on and everything. $3.99. Doesn't get any better than that. And these feel so amazing. Like, the quality just feels so amazing. I think the retail was $39.90 when I looked on like the tags, but I already ripped them off. But $3.99, you know, I like really slept on like Goodwill and thrift stores like that, you know. So definitely gonna go back and get some more for $3.99. Like, come on. Alright, so I think those are all my leggings. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off what I got from Goodwill, and then I'll move over to what I got from Salvation Army. The first one that I'm going to show is this Adidas, and this is Orlando City. If you don't know, I live in Orlando currently. I go to school in UCF. So Orlando City and Orlando Health. And this shirt is in really good condition. Like, it doesn't get any better than this. Like, this Adidas, do you see how like the material is not even close to cracking? Like, it's in perfect shape. So let me go ahead and show you the patch. So the Orlando City and then the Orlando Health. So this shirt is men's, so it's a small. So I just grabbed it. I saw it on like a little rack, like they're running clothes back, and I was like, let me grab this before somebody else does. It has the black Adidas stripes, 3 black stripes in black, and I thought that was a really nice, you know, I don't know. I mean, it's, I guess, more of a manly design, but I liked it anyway. But yeah, it's a really nice shirt. The last shirt that I got, also from Goodwill, is Columbia. It's a little cracked, but you know, that's not like the worst thing in the world, because who's really gonna see that? Compared to like the Adidas, where like the Adidas shows, you know, on the front pocket, so, well, not pocket, but on the front of the shirt. This one was a size It's a size medium. This one is a little bit tighter, like it's a little bit tighter fit on my arms, which I don't really know how I feel about that, but for $3.99 I couldn't really pass it, you know, down. Because first of all, this is like my favorite color. This is like my favorite color. So I absolutely, and I like Columbia, it's a really good brand. Alright, so that's everything that I got from Goodwill. And like I said, I only got 2 things from Salvation Army. Everything from Salvation Army was $4.99. Like I said, it doesn't get better than that. This is the Under Armour, I hope I said the Under Armour leggings. I feel like I said something else. This is the Under Armour like hoodie. And this material is kind of rubbery, like it could like scratch off. And this is in perfect condition. You would probably just have to be careful with like putting it in the dryer because of the heat. Could probably like mess it up. But the material is super soft, and this is a size small, medium, semi-fitted. And even though like I live in Florida, I still want to kind of be prepared for, you know, when it gets a little bit chillier outside. And it has these front pockets on it and the drawstring for the hoodie part front. And I love this hoodie. It's very cute, and I think it was a quality, because I don't really go for Under Armour gear, but the quality of it was just, it was just amazing. I know I keep saying that, but to get it at a thrift store and to get quality like you would normally find at, you know, an Under Armour store or a Nike store, like an Adidas, like where you would buy for retail price, is something that you really can't beat. The next item that I got is the same thing. It's just a Nike hoodie, but yeah, it's just Nike. Has a pink hoodie. This is a size small too, I believe. But yeah, this one is really cute. Alright guys, so that was my thrift store try on haul. I hope you guys liked the video. And if you did like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you leave a comment. I love responding to your comments. And also, guys, if you are not hitting that post notification button down below, it's the little bell that just informs you for whenever I post a new video. And anyway, I'll just see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.